Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class I have revised the unit 6, that is plant our green wealth. I have explained the trees, creeper, climber, parts of the plants, what we get from the plants. So everything I have explained in the previous class. Yeah, no children, and I have given the some work also. Have you done your homework, children? Yes, then send me in the app, and I have sent the worksheet also. If you finish, means send me in the app. Let me do the correction. Clear, children? So children, today I will take the unit, that is the exciting animal world. The exciting animal world. So my animal friends. My animal friends. So when you go outside, you can find the numbers of animals around you. Will you tell me some name? Name of some animals which you can find around you. Yes, dog, cat, cow, very good, sheep, goat, buffalo. So these all animals you can find around you. You know, and you can see the birds also. Birds are flying in the sky. You know, here and there you can find the numbers of birds. Crow, parrot, sparrow, pigeon, eagle, owl, etc. Numbers of birds also you can find around you. Yes or no? Some animals which we find around us, they are not dangerous. They are not dangerous, like cow, donkey, sheep, goat. They are not dangerous. They are walking comfortably on the road, and even you too, without fear you will walk, because you know it that those animals won't harm us. They are not dangerous. Yeah, no, children? So in the world, in this world, we can find the numbers of animals and numbers of birds. All the animals and the birds, they look different from each other. All are different from each other. Just to take which animals walk around you. Cow, dog, sheep, goat, buffalo. Is it all are same? No. If you see the size, they all are different from each other. Dog, if you see the dog, dog is small. But when you see the cow and buffalo, it is a very big animal. And the size is big. Now come to the color. If you see the colors, colors also different from each other. You know, children? Some animals have the black color, white color, brownish color. So, in the case color also, they are different from each other. Yeah, the children, the shape, size and the color, all are different. Yeah, the children, we see so many different animals around us, in different shape, in different size and in different color also. This is only which animals walk around you. But if you see the forest animals also, then also it is a change. They are different. They look different from each other. Just to take the tiger only. Tigers, just to see the color. What is the color of tiger? Yellow and black. It's have the black strips. It's have the black strips on its body. Yeah, children? See, black strips on its body, and the full body color is yellow. Size is small. not that much small. But when you see the elephant, elephant is very huge animal. It is too big. It is very huge animal, and the color also different. Yeah, my children. If you see the zebra, zebra also have the strips on its body, but it is not a yellow color. Strips is black color and the body is white. See the giraffe, it have the patches on its body, brown color patches. Leopard also have the patches on its body, brown color patches, black color patches we can find. So see the size. See the size also different, color also different, and the shape also different. So all the animals are different from each other. Animals are different. Animals are different in size, color, yeah, children, size, color and shape. So, see here, we see so many animals different around us in different shape, size, color and shape. Yeah, the children, do you have pets animal in your home? Which animal? Cat. Very good. Just to see the cat, just to take the size. Size is very small. It's a very small. Next to see the colors. Either it is white or white black patches, or sometimes it is brown color. You know. The next you can see the shape. Shape is different only. Yeah, the children. So like that, if you see all the animals, then only you will come to know how they are different from each other in the size, in the color. They are different from each other. Just you can see the zebra. See the size, shape and color. The next you can see the cow. See the cow shape and the zebra shape. How it is, they both looks different, no? In shape, size and colors. Next you can see the pig. Pig also, it looks different only. You know, it is different from these both animals. Just you can see. Yes, children, so they all are different from each other. Different in shape, size and color. These all animals make the world exciting. You know, all animals make the world exciting and beautiful. So like that we have the water animals also. We have the water animals which live in water. Name some animals which live in water, children. Tell me, water animal. Yes, fish. Very good. Then, next is what? Yes, frog. Then, crocodile. Yes, so these all animals live in water. We see the water animals. And children like frog, then fish, dolphin, shark, seahorse, octopus, starfish, crocodile, snakes. These all animals live in water. So in that, some animals live in water also and on land also. Like crocodile, frog, snake. They live in both, in water also and on land also. Clear, children? Just to see the water animals. First is fish, then dolphin. So these all animals live in water. So they called the water animals. Without water, they cannot survive only. But here, if you see the frog, snake, and one more is crocodile, they can live both. They can live in the water also and on land also. So here you can see children, in that you can see here this frog, except this frog, snake and crocodile, remaining all animals, they live in water only. These three animals, they live in both, in water also and on land also. So those are called the water animals. Okay children, what are they called? They are called the water animals. Here you can see, just I will show the image. Fish, crab, dolphin, octopus, turtle, seahorse, shark. So these all animals live in water. Without water, they cannot survive. They will die. If you remove the fish from water, it's alive or die? Yes, it's a die. Why? Because water is important for them to survive. So those are called, or we say they are called the water animals. Yeah, children? Without water, they cannot survive. Here you can see the frog. Frog can live in water also and on land also. Like that, you can see the crocodile. It's live in water and on land also. Here is the duck. Just you can see a duck. Yes, duck. So duck also live both on land as well as in water. Some animals like frog, duck, crocodile, snake, they live both on land as well as in water. Okay children, so some animals live on land and in water. So which animal? Tell me children, which animals live both? Yes, frog, crocodile and snake. So these animals live in both. From here I will rub this frog and snake. Otherwise you will confuse. Yeah, children? You will confuse. Here I will write shark and dolphin. So these animals live only in water, not on land. Water is very important for them to survive. See fish, octopus, starfish, shark, dolphin, seahorse. So these all they live in water only. It's a very important for them. But these animals, they can survive on land without water. So if you see the fish, so varieties of fish we can see. And the children, in the museum, if you get the chance just to see the museum where the water animals kept. They kept in the one fish tank. This is the aquarium. On one big fish tank, they will keep the all kinds of different varieties of colorful fish. They will keep in that one fish tank. We say the aquarium. Yeah, children, we can see the starfish, shark and dolphins. We will get the varieties of colors in the fish. If you have the aquarium in your home, just you can see the colorful fish. Some fishes are red color, some are yellow and black stripes, some are too dark. So like that varieties of fishes we can see. In the water animals also we can see the size, color and shape. Some fish are very small. Yeah, children, some fish are very small. But if you see the dolphin is too big. You can see the dolphin is too big. See the shape. You can see here the shape, size and color. It is a different from each other. Just you can see, children, if you take one small fish, if you see the dolphin, then you come to know that the size and shape of this fish. Size and shape of this fish. If take the color also we will get the varieties. In the fish we will get the different colors. But they all are different from each other. They don't look same only in the shape and size and color. They look different. I will give the best example for a classroom only. In your classroom, take your classroom only first standard. In your class there is a 35 strength. What is the strength? Total students are 35. All 35 students look same only, children? They look same? No, they not look same. They are different in color, size and shape. Some are very short, some are too tall, some are very fat, some are so thin. If you see the color also, some are black, some are very fair, some are fair. Okay. If you see the shape also, some are very thin, you know, some are too fat. So like that in the animals, birds also, we will get the different in shape, size and color. They all look different from each other. Okay, children, they all look different from each other. But they make the world exciting. They make the world exciting. Yeah, children, if you see the birds also, just I will show the image. In the birds also we will get the different color, shape and size. It's too small. When you see this bird, eagle, it is too big. Yeah, next you can see the parrot, it is so small. Next crow, crow is also small. Now you see the colors. See the colors of these all birds. It is different, no children? All are same color? They are in same color? No. See the color. Some are having the green color, black color. Then you can see the yellow color, brown and white color. See the colors also different, shape also different, and the size also different. Yes, children. So, but also they make the world very exciting. So this is the today's class. In today's class, what we learned, children, we discussed about the animals are different in size, color and shape. Animals and birds. We also discussed about the water animals. Some water animals they live in water and also on land. So here those are frog, crocodile and snake. Some animals live on land tiger, elephant, leopard, almost all animals live on land. Either it is a domestic animal or wild animals. Both animals live, where they live? They live on land. Okay children. So in today's class, whatever I finished, based on that I will give the some activity children. So this activity you have to do in the notebook. You will do children? Yes, very good. So activity is what here children? You have to draw the fish. Here I am going to give the activity. So what is the activity here? Draw the fish and color it. Okay children, draw the fish and color it. And one more worksheet I am going to give children. I have given the numbers of animals here. So what you have to do? I mixed animals, fruit, vegetables, everything I have mixed. So what you have to do? You have to circle only the animals. So you have to take the print of this worksheet. Take the print of this worksheet and then circle all the animals only. Circle only animals and then send me in the app. Just I will show the children. See here, question what I given. Circle all the animals. See dog, balloon, earth, cow, cake, camel, goat, globe, gift, horse, cheese or cake it is, sheep. See the toys, egg. So numbers of things I have given in this worksheet, just you can see here. So what you have to do children, you have to circle only. Don't take the help of your parents. This work is done by yourself only. Clear children? It's not difficult, only you have to circle the animals. Either they are living in the forest or they are living in water. So just to circle the animals and then send me in the app. You can use the crayons also to circle the animals. Use the different colors to circle the animals. Clear children? So here you should write your name only. You should write only name. Class already I mentioned. You should write only name. The name is very very important children. Then only I will come to know how many children have done this worksheet. Clear? This activity you have to do in the EVS notebook, and this worksheet you have to take the printout. Take the printout copy of this worksheet, write your name and then circle all the animals by using the crayons. Use the different colors for all the animals. It looks very beautiful. The same thing I will continue in the next class children. Thank you.